Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel, Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So I thought today I would just show you one of the products I've been using for the last 6 months, and it's the Garden of Wisdom, and it's their peptide, anti-aging peptide, and from Gal, and I buy it from Victoria Health. You can buy it, I think, in America. I think it's actually an American company who produces it. What peptides are good for is they act as a sort of muscle relaxant. So it actually helps with your wrinkles and stops formulation of. And I just think it's so good, particularly if you do have sensitive skin or if you're new to sort of anti-aging products. It's a good one to start off with. What I also like about this is the fact it comes in a PET bottle, and you can actually recycle the bottle as well, and it's silicone free, vegetarian, and it doesn't contain any alcohol as well. So I would tend to use this in the evening, not in the morning, because in the morning I use vitamin C, so I'd rather use it in the evening after I've used my retinol. So I'd put my retinol on, leave it on for a few minutes, then I'd place a bit of this on. You could, if you wanted to, alternate it between retinol, a night of retinol, a night of perhaps the peptide. It's up to you. So how I use it here, I'll just show you. So I just place a couple on my hands there, fingers, and it's unscented. I don't have any makeup on, so I could just show you how I would use it. So like I say, in the evening, after your retinol, just a couple of drops all on the face and the neck. And then I would just leave this then to just absorb in before I apply my night cream or serum, depending what I'm using that evening. And that's it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.